item.
Yes. Yes.
But you have clicked that.
Okay.
I will show you now when Neha will tell.
Yeah, I'm
Okay.
just starting the activity.
I have also clicked something very special or new.
Okay. As I have said you to click photos. So I want to all your photos and I'll tell what you have to do.
We have to WhatsApp you, right?
No. Share the screen. Everyone will see.
Okay.
Only host can share.
Wait.
आ रहा है.
Everybody, we'll send you. You just share them.
Yeah.
Okay.
But how I
It
will
is nice.
We are sending in group. We are
We will
sending
send
in
you on
group.
WhatsApp. You just share them.
Send in group.
In group or personally?
send in
Group सही रहेगा ना.
Or we have to send personally to her.
नहीं. Then everybody will not able to see.
No, I will share the screen now. So I will.
I
share
one by one. Then it
one by one.
make host allow us to share screen.
Yeah, this is okay. Then who is sharing first?
Prajwal.
I know you say that I am always eating during this time. I don't know why does this happen.
Prajwal, you share the screen first.
Yes, Prasal is sharing. Then Prasal make a host to other. Parkia send me the pic.
My photo is a very, I didn't get something, so I just clicked a photo only.
Okay.
Wow.
I ask also why you have just clicked that photo.
Are you saying me, huh?
Why have you clicked this photo? Means what's the reason?
Because I was told Haji that it was the first thing I saw, and then I clicked this only.
Okay.
I'm not. Oh, nice, very nice.
It's very good. I like Parki's photo also. You have done good creativity. Okay, now Akansha share the pic.
Okay. मैं host.
Prashal is the host. Prashal will make you host.
मुझे हंसी आ रही है अब. All out.
Very
Yes.
necessary thing these days.
Yeah.
Don't drink, okay?
No, I will not drink.
This is
It is a
Your favorite thing, Akansha?
okay.
all
Why
out.
you? Okay, Akansha, why you have clicked this photo?
I have clicked this photo because in the room I find only like copy pens and so. So I thought that I should click something different. So in the room I felt only Moteen as a different object or all out as a different like unique thing.
Okay. Good. Okay, now who will share? Sugandha, Parki, or Vartika?
Okay, I'll share.
Okay, Akansha make host.
अरे जो भी है.
Parki's photo is good. Beauty. Yes, sense of beauty.
I am also creative. You don't know. My screen is visible.
Yes.
Yes.
What is this?
You know, calculator.
Calculator.
Scientific
Scientific.
calculator.
Oh, very smart.
You are having so expensive calculator. ये फिर से दिखाओ. ये चमकने वाला.
अरे ये सिर्फ फिल्टर लगाया है.
Yeah.
This is a
अरे,
filter.
filter है filter.
Yeah, this is filter.
This is a normal scientific calculator.
Okay, so Parki, why you have clicked this photo? That means why you have clicked the calculator.
Okay. I clicked that photo because I was just sitting, means I was giving exam. I was sitting to near my desk. So there was books, like Akansha was telling that there was books, copies, papers, etc. So there was my calculator too. So I thought that it is that it is very useful means item. So I just clicked that photo.
Yes, very good. Okay, now Sugandha and Vartika.
Okay, I will share.
Yeah. Parki, make a host. means-
Only the host can share this
Yeah,
in this.
Wait. I'll make you host. Make host. Yes. Done. Now you can.
Okay. अरे मेरी फोटो कहाँ गई?
You have not shared this.
This.
Oh my God.
Oh, wow.
Good. Okay, Sugandha, why you have clicked this pic?
Her name is also Sugandha.
No.
No.
I have just clicked that. Everyone says that dogs and cats are cute, but that cow bachas are also cute. So I just want to share with you guys.
I think it will be fun. Okay, make Vartika host. Then I'll tell what you have to do.
Okay.
आवाज भी आ गई.
हाँ.
He's saying I'm also there. Take me too.
Vartika, share your pic.
Vartika is sharing. What is this?
Love story.
Love story.
Perfume.
Perfume.
Oh my God, Vartika, your
I
perfume
used
is
to
so
click
cute.
these type of photos only. Sometimes eyeliner, sometimes perfume.
Yes.
Okay, now Vartika, why you have clicked this photo?
What Sugandha was saying, मुझे कुछ सुनाई नहीं दे रहा था.
What?
अरे. What you were saying, I was not able to listen.
I was saying that you used to click this type of pictures only, whether it is eyeliner or that perfume bottle.
Vartika, why you have clicked this
Your
photo?
appearance looks so classy.
Okay, Vartika, why you have clicked this photo?
It was near my bed and it looks so amazing. The
Your
color,
perfume
that's
bottle
why.
is so cute. Okay, now what you have to do, you all have to swap your photographs with each other. Means, for example, Prashal will swap with Sugandha. So whichever photograph means Prashal's photograph, Sugandha will tell the situation of this photograph, that what is the situation of that item, or you have to make a story for 2 minutes. Now the things are so good. So how will you all
Means
make a story?
we have to tell real story or we have to make a story.
No, you have to.
Yeah.
You have to just look the picture and you have to tell what situation is going on. That means what is the situation of that thing, and what means you have to make the story by looking that picture. And you all have
अच्छा,
Okay.
हाँ, कि by
you will not.
Okay.
But
So,
but
okay.
everyone
So
has
how
explained their
will
story.
nahi, how we will choose, like Parki will give to
Yeah.
whom? How we will decide?
it's your choice. It's all up to you. So whom photograph.
Arey Nehal, only you only
Okay.
select.
Okay, I want to choose Parky calculator.
No, I want to Sparky calculator. I was just going to say that only.
Now the things are so interesting. So what will be the stories?
Sparky, whom you want to give your
Data match. You
Okay,
I have a good idea. Means whosoever fixes that, she should give it to someone. Like Vartika can give her perfume bottle to Prashal, Parki.
and Neha, what about you? You
This
also show some
Yes,
picture.
sit and listen to your interesting stories.
No, then only we will be then only we will be in even number.
Rachel is right.
I haven't clicked any pic.
Arey, click some
Just-
random photo. Share
Just
it.
click now. That is kept around you. Show us anything.
okay, then I'm thinking about Dasha pot.
So what is decided? How who will get the means?
You have to give your pick to someone like Parki. You can give your pick to Sugandha, Kansha, Prashvartika, anyone. You can decide.
Okay, okay.
Okay, if I'll click the pick, I will click this my earpod. So you can assume that it is my photo.
She's showing that she's having earpods. हमें दिला दो. She's just flexing.
Yeah, but
Let's share. Give
I regret buying this.
Okay, tell that why have you choose that? You have asked us. You have not told.
I have because it's just that suddenly you have said that you should also have some photograph. It was just lying in my bed and I just saw this thing.
पता नहीं देखूंगी दोबारा. Okay. Then
Start
Now,
wait,
time.
now you have to give your photograph to anyone, means, and she will just tell the situation over the photo.
okay. So start. Who is starting?
Start giving.
I will not start first.
Okay, Vartika will start. Okay.
Vartika's message was there. Is there that in that chat box? She's saying that she's coming. Wait.
Okay, I'm giving my picture to Parky.
Prashal will start.
I have come. I'm
My
back.
photo.
Okay, now Vartika, you have to tell
What?
that you want to give your perfume bottle photograph.
I want to give my perfume to Sugandha Sherawat.
Thank you very much.
Okay, now Vartika, show your pic, then only she can describe about that.
Okay. Wait.
I am very bad story maker.
What we have to do? We have to make story from perfume. Like
Yeah.
I'm not.
Just you have to look at the photograph and you have to guess that what situation is going over that picture. Like in all out, you
Situation
can just
or-
get that.
or like,
The description.
Sugandha, you can think like you are perfume, what you are thinking, or like what is your situation, anything.
Like,
What?
we have to tell the story of being perfume.
Nah.
As per your convenience, I guess we can do now.
Okay. Okay, by seeing this photo, Arey, what are you doing, Vartika?
What?
Yeah. I'm not getting anything.
You can tell about Vartika's hand also.
Okay. So what?
You can narrate some story.
Yeah. Okay. Vartika want to click some photo as Neha asked us to do that. So she just turned around in her room. She have so much of that makeup. I think she must have the makeup kit in her room only. So she used to pick sometimes eyeliner or sometimes perfume, or some other day she will definitely pick a lip balm. So she just got attracted by this pink color perfume. The name is Love Story. I don't know what is written in below that.
Something in Spanish or पता नहीं.
EAUD perfume. Okay. So yeah, she just
Everybody.
picked up this and clicked this photo and sent to Neha. Sent to Neha that and Vartika is showing up that I'm using perfume, not deo.
Yes. Vartika want us to know that she is having so much makeup stuffs.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we don't have, that's why she's trying to tease us.
Yes.
And we even have a proof that how much makeup she likes. We have made a video. We want
Don't talk about that.
Yes, Vartika like makeup. Whenever I used to go by putting eyeliner to market, she used to say me, why you don't bought it for me? I will also apply it and all.
She used
That
to
day-
do very high. She used to do very high makeup when we go out somewhere or at Children's Day. You remember Vartika about Children's Day?
What?
in
I
hospital
just
also.
apply liner only. That is not
Yeah.
full makeup, but I love
You
makeup.
only applied only liner.
Okay, wait, I'll show that photo I'm having. Vartika's.
No
Yeah,
need.
please,
Yeah,
please.
please.
No need. She
In hostel that we have done your makeup.
Vartika, that you are makeup addict.
you are makeup artist.
Are
I am makeup artist and you are makeup addict.
Vartika, make host to Parki. She will just share your picture.
oh, but I stand in group. See everybody.
Okay.
Wow.
Yeah, I stand.
Yeah. that makeup by me and Parki and Nikita.
Oh my God, Vartika, you have means you have just put
And we
that
have just
sindoor
makeup
also.
by pen fully.
Vartika is you means putting sindoor also.
Okay, let's just start the game. Yeah, I have to go early, please.
Yeah, same. And we have to end it by 6:30.
Yeah, please,
Yeah,
please
okay,
start
okay,
game.
okay. Then
We
after
will talk
Vartika,
about
Sugandha.
the picture after.
Yes,
After
Sugandha,
the
share
GD,
your
okay?
picture and give it to someone.
What? You are asking me to give it to someone?
Yes, your picture.
Okay, okay. I'm giving my picture to Parki.
Okay.
I have okay, make
Share your picture. Vartika, Sugandha, make host.
अरे पार्की I have make host to Parky make host to Sugandha.
Okay, wait. So what I have to do means I have to tell a story related to that, right?
Yes, or you can also assume the situation going over that place that time.
Okay. काओ के बारे में.
आओ, गाय हमारी माता है. गाय के 4 पैर होते हैं. We used to write an essay.
ऐसे बोल दूं जो क्लास फर्स्ट में बोलते थे. अरे who is sharing this? We had that video even.
In that
Right.
picture, Vartika has applied the sindoor.
Where is Sugandha's photo?
Sugandha and Parky has done that.
We have put that also na lock. Okay. So thank you so much, Sugandha, for giving me such a cute photo to describe.
This baby cow is very cute, and cows are every baby, not a cow or cat or dog, even of humans. I love baby a lot. Okay, so I would like to share my story only. When I was in class 8, I was going to market, and the same size baby cow was just running after me. Like you might have seen that कुत्ता पीछे पड़ जाता है लोगों के, ठीक है, बैल पीछे पड़ जाती है, मेरे पीछे सेम साइज का एक बेबी काउ, she was running and she was trying to hit. So that day I have gone in somebody's house. I just mean that cow was trying to hit me. Like I was running, I was so small, and means I ran into someone's house. And what was the main thing that on means means I just where I went now, that house was of that cow only. So that cow has came inside. I was just hiding behind an auntie. So auntie said that, "Beta, don't worry. She is just baby cow. She'll not hit you. Don't worry." So that day,
You wrote
from
this,
that day,
wow.
I am very afraid of these cows. Means usually they don't hit anybody, or they don't try and never means they don't hit anybody. But that day, my life was in danger. I don't know anything else. I don't know how to make story. So I just shared my story. What happened with me?
Okay, I got it. Prashal wrote wow.
What?
No, you speak, Pargi.
That's it. That cow, that same cow. I think not this cow. Means one cow, my baby cow was running after me. She was trying to hit me.
But not
That's
every.
it. Not every cow. I know that.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you
but
are afraid of
Can you
cows.
explain how cute she is? Please explain it, Pargi.
She's so cute. I just like cows. Means whenever I used to go Sugandha's house, I just play with them. But that big one cow used to try to hit me with her big
Yeah,
seal.
she's very dangerous.
Yeah, but this one is looking so cute. I have not seen this one.
Yeah, she is very cute, but she will also become dangerous after being age.
So be safe. पता चले तेरे को
By 2 years. after after 2 years only.
Okay, that's it. Thank you so much.
Okay, so your story was so good. So means you are afraid of cows right now, or now you are normal?
Now I'm not, but if again any cow will run behind me, na, I'll obviously get afraid. Means दूर से अच्छे लगते हैं बस बड़े बड़े जानवर.
So meeting alert is there. Meeting alert is there. We have only 10 minutes.
Yeah, so in
I
10
guess.
minutes we'll finish
Too
this.
fast,
Okay, now
fast.
Parki, you share your
Fast.
picture and you give it to someone.
Okay, so my calculator's demand was from Sugandha and Akansha, but Sugandha has got chance, so I'll give my calculator to Akansha.
Yay.
Yeah, Kancha, congratulations.
Akansha, your wish.
Thank you, thank you. Thank you. I have got such expensive calculator.
Yeah.
Okay, wait, I have to share now.
I don't make me host.
Oh,
Make
I
me-
have made.
Make me host, Akansha.
I have to make Parki host. Okay, now Kancha will make host.
Akansha, make me host. Okay. I'm host now. Share my screen.
Parki is too creative.
So I'm looking how bad I'm looking in that photo.
Arre, what had happened? Wait.
Okay, I can speak without the photo also.
Wait. I'm sharing. Okay. Is it visible?
Oh, yes.
Yes.
Yes, it is visible.
Now describe.
Okay. I'm describing the calculator situation. What is its situation? Like during exam we use it. Like we keep it while doing preparation. Like we keep pen and all. We keep calculator also. Okay. But like while we have if we completed our exam, then we don't give it importance. That importance it lie over there as it is only. And after exam also, like it is very useful thing, but we people don't use that. In like we prefer using mobile calculator instead of that scientific. We will like a shortcut, we will take mobile and calculator, we will not use that in that. And now Parki has
कर
clicked.
दी रहे क्या?
Now Parki has clicked it picture, so the calculator may have felt like, yes, I am such an important object. And she has used filter also, so
Yeah,
calculator would have felt
she
very
makes
happy.
beautiful.
Yeah.
Calculator may have felt very happy that, wow, I'm looking so gorgeous. That's it. Thank you.
Very good, very good.
और क्या बताऊं?
You have just tell calculator's emotions. Okay, now Kansha, you give your pick to anyone. You have to complete it by 6 minutes.
Yes, I'm giving my pick to who is left. Neha.
I, Vartika and Prashan.
I will give to Neha.
Okay.
Morten. I will give Morten to Neha. Make me host.
Yeah, Parthi, make the rules.
Okay. Done.
I'm tired of holding.
Okay, I wanted to tell the situation of mosquitoes. Mosquitoes are very afraid, but this time I think this all out is off, so they are happy. They are just roaming here and there. They are taking blood from Kansa's body, and but they are so afraid that they are having mountain. But mountain refill has been less fill or it's empty. I'm not just getting actually.
It is empty.
It is empty now, yeah. So mosquitoes are very happy that this is empty. So it will not give so much that what we say उतना असर नहीं करेगा mosquitoes पर. And yes, and this is also off. So mosquitoes are very happy in Akansa's room that she is having that, but she is unable to get them out from their room. And yes, the mosquitoes are very happy in her room. That's
मॉस्किटो हैप्पी कैसे होंगे? उन्हें मारने की प्लानिंग होती
no, but the mountain is not filled now. It is empty, and that plug is also off. That's why they are happy.
Okay.
Okay, so
Mosquitoes,
make me host.
so that it is empty and not switched on. So she
Yeah, so they are very happy.
the story of mosquitoes happiness.
You are so caring. You are caring about mosquito.
I don't
You
care
know,
about mosquitoes.
then I start killing. When mosquito start biting me, na, I just collect them when I get irritated.
Parki, we have very less time left. Please continue.
Okay, so
Okay, Akansha, make me host, and I want to give my picture to Prashal.
Only Vartika left.
Vartika will
say I
speak
will speak
about
on mine.
Prashal's picture.
Yeah, pot. This,
Is my screen visible?
Yes.
So this is the picture. My earpods.
we all are laughing.
what happened? My screen got freezed.
Mine also.
Now.
So these are Neha's AirPods, and she just shared this photo with us in order to flex that she has earphones, and meanwhile, I don't have basic earphones
Yeah,
also.
we are not having even
But I regret.
earphones and she is having earphones.
So these are of some boat or JBL, I can guess, with their structure. And I wish these Neha's AirPod get no, I won't say any ill. I wish somebody collects money on my birthday, some amounts, and 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 gift me these AirPods or some other valuable items, because having them is so cool. We can go to park and put them in our ears. What are you saying?
But I regret buying this. These are so means if I'm putting it on my ear, these goes down and down. They got lost sometimes.
That is not earpods fault. That is your ears fault. That's your whole habit.
Yeah, it's my ears fault.
Must have thought that it will be very nice to buy them.
Yeah. Good, and you guessed right. It's of both.
Okay, so I am.
Vantika, tell us the story of pot.
What she will talk about the pot.
That
Yeah,
pot
Vartika,
was
tell the
very
story of Vartika, tell means you are having 1 minute and 15 seconds. Yes, please.
Yeah, we will get interested. Speak fast. We got please again.
How did it get out auto downloaded in my phone?
Wow.
Vartika, say
speak.
fast.
okay. I will tell my real story. I was lying on my bed when the thought strike me that I am doing agricultural engineering and I am not knowing the basic things about agricultural engineering. So I thought of planting planting a plant. So I thought of planting. Then I thought what to plant. Then I searched. ये पेड़ किस चीज का है पहले ये तो बताओ. Then I
Money
searched a
plant.
lot. Then I found that बरगद का पेड़. Banyan tree. Is this money plant? Okay. Then I thought कि I should plant money plant. My mother told me कि money plant used to grow